Today is day 7, and do you know what that means? That means we are going to Castaway Cay. My husband is out already at Cabanas, and he said that he can already see where he's at. So we're gonna go ahead and meet him. Before we do, I wanted to show you my porthole. I love it. This is the view from the back of the ship.
Super excited.
I don't see it.
I know, I don't look it, but I am.
He doesn't like to show his emotions, and before we came on this cruise, every night before we came, we were wiggling around in bed, super excited like children, and now he's holding it in. Don't hold it in, babe. Don't hold it in. Look at this. Busy tram. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
We barely made it on the tram.
I know.
We were in front of the line. And then people stampeded and we almost died like Mufasa. So we made it. One of the cast members was really nice enough to give up her seat for me because Vis got in like a ninja. And I sat behind because I'm too nice and I don't push people. Alright, that's it. That's my 2-second complaining. Walk around Serenity Bay, and if you look over here, that's the beach, eating area, and bar.
No. How's it going?
Considering it.
Enjoy.
Pork ribs, corn, chicken.
Tell me about that meat, babe. Tell me about that meat.
It's so soft and tender and mouth-watering. It's so good. It's medium rare too. Makes it just so perfect.
How are those ribs, babe?
Actually, it's really good. Surprise.
I ended up eating a protein burger because that bread was a little too much. I didn't even eat my hot dog. They have chips here. Hopefully I could take some back to the ship. The cookies here are the only ones that are made, well, I guess the only thing that's made here on the Castaway Cay. we would highly recommend to come and eat at the adult-only for lunch because there are no kids running around. And although we love kids, it is nice to have a quiet lunch without kids running around. So make sure you guys make your way down here. You're gonna have lunch. Lunch started at 12:30 and I think it ends at what, 2? And they have ice cream and all kinds of good stuff. So I'm definitely gonna get ice cream so I can eat that with my cookie and my pineapple, whatever this is. We are at the snorkeling area at Castaway Cay, and you can see the ship behind me. And we are about to go look for Mickey. We're about to get on this slide over here. We were allowed to bring the GoPro, but not the stick, so we gotta leave that here. Provide your vest.
Life vest.
Oh, I'm so scared. Are you ready? Doggy paddle. Babe, you did both. Which one was best?
The dark one.
Why?
The one that goes fast.
That one goes
You
faster?
can't see anything, you just feel everything.
It was fun. We're about to go grab our stuff and head back to the ship. We'll see you there. So fun. It looks like everybody cleared out really quickly. I don't know if we're like the last ones, but if you look, there's a lot of empty chairs. Oh, look at that wheelchair.
Yeah, that life super weird.
That's so interesting. They have wheelchairs here, and they are sand friendly, which of course we pay attention to that because last time we went on a cruise, this was on a wheelchair, and so we totally respect the people that need to be in the wheelchairs now because we know it is not easy to be on it. Castaway Cay. It was nice knowing ya. for a day.